This is a surveillance device, which transmits on the UHF band. The UHF band is less crowded by other transmitters, therefore there are less chances to interfere or to be interfered by other radio stations, compared to the domestic band or the VHF band. The transmitter can be programmed in our lab to almost endless frequencies, between 410 MHz to 470 MHz. This particular listening device features a very high power output, and if we translate it to distance, the higher output, you achieve the longer distance. There are of course more factors which have influence on the distance. The output power is not the only feature of this listening device. The main feature is its Vox function. A Vox is a device which is activated by sound. You may ask, what is it good for? Well, we are not interested to spend money for batteries when no one is at home, or during sleeping time, right? So, this Vox device will transmit as soon as it hears voices, and during the quiet time, it will turn to standby mode, waiting for any sound. This way, there are less chances to be detected, and at the same time, there is a huge economy in the battery consumption. Here it is, the miniature listening device. Its diameter is about 2.5 centimeters, or 1 inch. This is the battery holder. This is a good quality ABS battery holder for batteries 2450 or 2477 batteries. The tiny microphone's diameter is 4 millimeters, and it is very sensitive. This is the on-off switch. It is so small, and at the same time so robust that we have to use our nail for turning it on, or off. The antenna is a piece of thin wire, almost invisible. The length is about 17 centimeters, or 6.5 inch. Let's insert now the battery. Always pay attention to the polarity. The plus sign on the battery points to the external part of the battery holder. If you will insert it on the other way, all you will get is a nice toast. We will use for this test one of my favorite scanners, the IC R6. It is already tuned to transmitter's frequency, 436 MHz. Also, it is adjusted to narrowband FM. You can see on the bottom of the scale the line which shows that the transmitter is on, and the power, which is the maximal power. In a few seconds it will turn automatically to off. On. On. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and you'll always receive the most accurate information. Just click on the link and you'll be redirected to our site.